Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a little does it work video, and I'm going to be trying out the Ardell magnetic eyelashes. So I've seen all these videos about magnetic eyelashes, how they never work, but I hadn't seen a pair from Ardell, and when I saw these in Priceline, I just had to try them. So yeah, I'm going to see if these babies actually work, so let's get into it. So it comes with an upper and a lower set, and then it comes with like a magnetic applicator. So let's try and get into this packaging and see what this is.
11 minutes later.
So here's how it comes. There's not really any instructions. The instructions are kind of like on the back. So basically you just put the upper and lower on the tweezers, put them over your eyelashes and squeeze them, and they should stick. So let's give this a go. So it kind of just sits on there on its own, magnetically, I guess. And then I'll put the upper one on. I don't know how this is gonna... Yeah, see, I'm trying to put them on the applicator, but it's not working very well. The top one, oh, here we go. I think you need to keep it as far apart as it possibly will let you, because the eyelashes are just going to stick to each other, which is good because that's what you want it to do on your face. So I've got them on. Now this is going to be very interesting. Give me a sec, I might have to get close and personal on myself and see if I can... Oh my god, it's so scary. Oh, okay. You're going to have to position it very carefully when you do this, because it's kind of not completely close to my lash line. It's definitely not at all close to my lash line. It's quite wonky, especially down this way. It does obviously work, and they are pretty style. Oh god, they're not ripping off easy either. Don't wanna... Oh, alright. Let's try this again. Well, they're definitely hard to get apart though, which means they stick together pretty well. It's just a matter of actually getting it positioned correctly onto your eyes, which seems to be the issue here. So I'll put them back on the applicator and we'll have another go. I'm just going to have to get a bit closer to the mirror, so you might not be able to see this. Oh, I clamped it and it's attached to the bottom lashes to... Alright. I think it's the same issue. This corner is not getting quite up there, and I don't know how to maneuver it back up without removing it all. Oh god. I'm gonna have to try again. You have to be careful as well, because when I've been pulling them apart each time, it's kind of getting mascara on the magnets, and the magnets are quite delicate, so just be very careful with them. They're quite delicate. Again, it's still not connecting close enough to the lash line on this side, and it's kind of pinching my skin. Yeah, it's fine apart from the corner. Yeah, it's just not attaching close enough to the line because my eyes aren't straight. And the magnets obviously are drawing to each other before they need to get to, because it's electricity, it's magnetism, I don't know the science of it, but it's definitely not getting close enough and it's wonking. I don't know, it's just not gonna happen. I've tried it 3 times already. I'm gonna try the other eye. Oh, it didn't do it. It's inner. I was too busy trying to concentrate on the outer. Try again. These are becoming very fiddly, and for someone who is not very good at regular lashes, I probably prefer regular lashes right now, because you can position them before they stick 100%, whereas these, it's kind of just, you've got to get it right, or you have to do it all over again. Oh God. Oh, they're falling down. Oh gosh. Oh God. Not even. Oh. Alright. This is not working, guys. This is a lot harder than it's supposed to be, I think. Like, oh, I can't even get it on the bloody applicator. I think it's definitely great in theory, and maybe if someone else was putting it on your eyes, it would probably work a little bit better, but it's just so bloody fiddly just to get it right. Ow. Oh, sticking in my eye. I can't bloody do it. Now I've ruined my makeup on my nose. Oh, this is a fail, guys. I can't sit here forever. Like, I've been recording this for 10 minutes of me just trying to get this on my eye, and it's not working. Like, it shouldn't take this long. It's supposed to make shit easier for you. Like, oh, it's so easy on the... No, this is a fail. I'm so sorry, Ardell. I absolutely love your normal lashes, but these ones are just not working. It's just not happening. I'm sorry. It's like the one I could get on slightly normal is still wonky as fuck, and the other pair I can't even get on my eye. So yeah, I'm really sorry, but I love you, Ardell, but these are not working for me. Maybe I'm doing it wrong, but I just can't seem to get it to attach properly or attach in a normal way. I don't know, but it's not working. I'm sorry. So yeah, this one does it work? No, it does not. So yeah, if you guys like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.